Join me as I dive into the world of fog lights and see if I can figure out what they really do and why they're a game changer for driving. Fog lights are a crucial part of driving safety, especially during low visibility conditions. They help illuminate the road ahead, reducing the risk of accidents and making it easier to navigate through foggy or misty weather. Their purpose is to provide a clearer view of the road, allowing drivers to react quicker and avoid potential hazards. Driving in foggy conditions can be really challenging. One of the main issues is reduced visibility, which makes it hard to see other cars, pedestrians, or road obstacles. This increases the risk of accidents, as drivers have less time to react to unexpected situations. Moreover, foggy conditions can cause glare from oncoming headlights, making it even harder to see the road ahead. Another problem is that fog can make it difficult to judge distances and speeds, leading to potential misjudgments when trying to overtake or change lanes. The lack of visibility also causes drivers to slow down, which can lead to congestion and increased travel times. In extreme cases, fog can even cause drivers to become disoriented, leading to a higher risk of getting lost or stranded. So, how do fog lights work? They use a specific technology that allows them to cut through fog more effectively than regular headlights. Fog lights typically have a wider beam pattern and are positioned lower on the vehicle, which helps to reduce glare and illuminate the road's surface more evenly. This design difference is key to their effectiveness, as it allows them to light up the road ahead without reflecting off the fog. The technology behind fog lights involves using a specific type of bulb or LED that produces a wider spectrum of light, which is more effective at cutting through fog. By design, fog lights are also made to be more resistant to fog and moisture, ensuring they keep working effectively even in harsh weather conditions. When it comes to performance, fog lights are in a league of their own. They provide a much clearer view of the road ahead compared to standard car lights, which can often create a wall of glare in foggy conditions. In real-world scenarios, fog lights have proven to be a lifesaver, allowing drivers to navigate through dense fog without having to slow down drastically. The reduced glare and improved visibility provided by fog lights also make it easier for drivers to spot pedestrians, cyclists, or other obstacles on the road. Additionally, fog lights are designed to work in conjunction with other safety features, such as anti-lock braking systems and traction control, to provide an added layer of protection on the road. In summary, fog lights play a vital role in enhancing driving safety during adverse weather conditions. They provide a much-needed boost of visibility, reducing the risk of accidents and making it easier to navigate through foggy or misty weather. If you've had any experiences with fog lights, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my video on car safety tips for more advice on staying safe on the road.